everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log in to your Everside Health account on your web portal. So, what is Everside Health? It is a company that provides comprehensive healthcare services focusing on personalized and convenient care for individuals and employers that offers a range of services including primary care, behavioral health, chronic condition management and wellness program. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and navigate to Everside Health. You can do this by typing Everside Health Login. Now click on Login Everside Health. After that, you will be directed to sign in page of Everside Health. Scroll a little down to see the web page properly. Now, enter your email address and password to sign in. Make sure you already have an account to Everside Health to sign in. If you do not have an account, you can create a new account by clicking on Register My Online Patient Account. Don't worry if you have forgotten your password. You can simply retrieve it by clicking here. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log in to Everside Health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tips and tutorials.